Hey guys, today a really short video, but it is something really cool and a little hack inside of ChatGPT. No worries, we're not going to exploit the ChatGPT platform, but it is to add a specific element towards ChatGPT, and that is to submit a file. Now, instead of boring you with all the code on how to generate that code and stuff like that, I will also reference the video where I got it from, and that way you can follow along that part. I am going to show you how you can install basically the Chrome extension that this person built, and from there on how to use it. So what is called is the ChatGPT file uploader. From here you can basically go and add this towards Chrome. Let's add the extension. It's been added, and if we refresh the page now, you will see that we get a really cool submit file button just above the send message. Takes a little bit of time to basically implement because the script needs to be loaded into the DOM of this page. But then you will have this really simple button. How cool is this that you can now upload basically your entire text files, CSV files, JavaScript files, HTML, and all kinds. So if we say submit file, then let's say I'm going to get this blog article, right? I want to have this inside of ChatGPT and I want to make some edits on this. So let's say I'm going to insert this. You will then get something, as you can see. Great, these are the first 3 blog articles you provided. Is there anything specific you want me to do with them, or basically if you have any questions? Let's say I want to create 2 social media posts. Well, actually, let's go and say I want to create a Facebook post promoting this article. There we go. And now we have ChatGPT, which is going to be able to provide a complete social media post for us. And we are actually using the 3.5 model. So if we are going to switch this around, and so let's open a new chat, go into GPT-4, and then we should also get this submit button. If we do it again, there we go. Then we will get a little bit of a text here, as you can see. And this is part 1 of the blog article. Not sure what it's trying to do. In this case, it's going to write part 2 of the blog articles. That is not something that we want. We can, for example, say provide or write a Facebook post about the above article. Let's see what GPT-4 comes up with. And as you can see, GPT-4 implements really fun a really fun format, right, with emojis and stuff like that. And here we have it, a really short but really good Facebook post that we can use. If I say, okay, I want to create a Twitter post. So let's say now create a Twitter post. There we go. Perfect. And then a few hashtags. And now we have our Twitter post. So how cool is this that you now can basically grab any kind of text document or other kinds of coding, right? If you need help with coding, you can insert it this way inside of ChatGPT. And if it's a long piece of code, like more than 15,000 characters, basically this extension will help you load everything into ChatGPT, but in chunk sizes of 15,000 characters, because that is the current limit, or just above the 15,000. But we rounded it to 15,000 to make it a little bit easier. So it will then submit the file that you want to upload into chunks of 15,000 to ensure that everything is being loaded inside of ChatGPT. And this way you can manipulate everything that you want to. You can edit the post, you can edit the content that you upload. You can, as you can see, you can create social media posts of it. You can grab an outline of it, and maybe you can also optimize the article this way. A lot of use cases by submitting this file or by using the submit button file, right? And just experiment with it. Something cool I wanted to show you. If you have any questions, do let me know. And again, the reference towards the original video and all credits go towards that maker will be in the video description. For now, have a great day, take care, and talk soon.